We're doing a special edition of ETA today. It's called drunk hiking. So we're going to be drinking beers all day because hiking is one of our favorite things to do, and drinking is also one of our favorite things to do. So we figured, why not combine two of our most favorite things to do. We're gonna start this hike off by shotgunning a beer.
After 5 intense days hiking in Kauai, we had planned on spending the day drinking beer at the beach. Realizing this would have made for a long beach day, we decided to enjoy our beer while also enjoying a short hike to the top of the Sleeping Giant.
So some of the rules of drunk hiking. Well, there's pretty much just one rule. You gotta have a beer in your hand at all times. Try your best not to hurt yourself, but at the same time, if you're gonna hurt yourself, make sure the other guy has the camera out.
It's important to stay hydrated while hiking. I don't know if this is the optimal way to do that, but we'll let you know how it goes. Got up this morning, stepped out of the hammock. My legs were just killing me. So we're having an easy day. We're gonna do this and then maybe go hang out at a beach or something. Relax a little bit. Budweiser, the king of beers. And he pulled the short stick and has to carry all the beer.
Drink more so you can get the later.
Hey, you want a beer? So that is the Sleeping Giant's head.
Hey. Oh, shit. Oh!
Well, that's our $3 bag.
Oh, we're leaking too. This is where we end the hike. Not a chance in hell.
We have one speed when we hike, and it's way too fast. My plan today was to take this super easy and chill. We're just booking it.
There's the Sleeping Giant. I see somebody on his nose. We have drank enough beer so it fits into this backpack. So life's a lot more easy, and we're a lot more drunk. Making our way to the top.
It's some serious balance.
Oh, grab two.
Anderson has a new favorite animal since we've been on the island. It's the rooster. What time was that rooster crowing this morning? Sorry, he's Snapchatting.
Yeah, it was 5 o'clock when that rooster started fucking pissing me off. They cockle-doodle-doo, they take a break. This guy was going cockle-doodle-doo, cockle-doodle-doo, 3-second intervals. I was not happy. Is that the nose? Yeah.
While savoring our last beer and feeling the buzz kick in, we realized the hike down would present some new challenges.
Hiking's easy even when you're drunk. Except you forget where you've been, and you forget where to go. Help me. Oh. Thanks, buddy. When it's downhill, just gotta let it happen. My balls hurt. Tune into ETA next week for another epic trip adventure. We're in Kauai, hiking into the Blue Hole. It's not a very well-known hike, so we're gonna try and show it to you.